Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT based saline bottle level monitoring and alerting through Blink app, IoT, GSM, SMS alert. So here we are using a Node MCU and Arduino Uno R3, GSM SIM 800L and 16x2 LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, RX, TX, GSM modem purpose, and Node MCU. So we are connected to Blink app. We are sending the serial data to 5th pin and it will send it to Blink app. HX711 amplifier and 10 kg load cell and a saline bottle. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here I created a small application. So I taken this and go to garage. In the garage I taken a garage option and V2 virtual terminal. Okay, so here you can give as a 1 second. Okay, then okay. So saline bottle weight monitoring, so it's already done. And so here Node MCU ESP8266 we are using, and GSM SIM 800L for SMS alert purpose. Okay, and bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and 1 LED. So here also bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and 1 LED. Arduino Uno R3 board and a 16x2 LCD display, Max 232, HX711 load cell. Okay, so Arduino based. Remove loads on load cell and GSM, so it came as a 0. Okay, there is no loads weight. So text message. Okay, so now here I am going to insert the bottle. Okay, now 0.95 full, so here it will come 0.995. Okay, so it should be 1 kg, up to 1 kg. Okay, so now I'm going to start the. Okay, so here okay, so now it's 94, 92. Continuous monitoring on Blink app. So 91, 90, 69, 68, 63. GSM modem ESP8266, Node MCU Max 232, HX711, 16x2 LCD display, Arduino Uno R3 power supply board. 58, yeah, 51, 50. Next it goes to 49, so it will show low. So now it is going to low, so it came here. Okay, low. So 48, 47. So of 5 times, after 5 times it's sent to SMS alert to the predefined mobile numbers. Yeah, saline bottle level goes to low, sending SMS low saline level, SMS sent. So we'll receive one SMS alert also. Yeah, SMS came. Saline bottle level goes to patient bed number 01. Okay, 49, 39. Now its continuous goes on decreasing. Okay, so we send it to SMS alert. So remotely we can monitor the patient bed saline bottle. Okay, now it came here. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.